channel. This is Makeup by Ulka here. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ulka and I'm a professional makeup artist and a certified MUA. I've created this very beautiful Brazilian, you can wear it not only for an occasion but also like a daily wear kind of look. And I was inspired by Michelle Palma, who those of who don't know who's Michelle Palma, she is Brazilian makeup artist and she does these kind of looks. Especially her looks are more to bridals, and so this is kind of a bridal look, but you know, a wearable bridal look, not too much, as you can see. And I'm going to show you how I create this angel wing eyeliner for hooded eyes, which I'm really excited, you all. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. It's going to be like a talkative video, so I'm going to show you how I achieve this. So I have already done my eyebrows, and if anyone wants to see my updated eyebrow routine, please do let me know in the comments down below, because right now I'm doing like these soap brows, which is like my new favorite thing to do for my brows. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my AVH Soft Glam palette. If you haven't seen the review on this palette, do check it out. It's on my channel. So yeah, and I've created like 1 or 2 looks also with this palette. So again, I'm using this, and this is like my go-to palette right now. I'm using a lot of shades from this. As you can see, it's too much used here. What I'm going to do is I've already prepped my eyes. I have applied the P.Louise base, and those of you who are my old followers, old subscribers, they know I don't start my look without P.Louise base. So I have already prepped it, and this is in Rumor 02, and there are some creases. I'm just going to clean it up. This base is really easy to use and it's very hassle free. So what you guys are doing, try and create this look, because right now I'm full confused. I don't know what all colors I have used. I'm not quite sure, because I was in my own mood and I was doing it. So I thought of filming. It's very on the point. I didn't plan on doing this video actually. So I guess I have used orange soda and burnt orange from this palette. Orange soda and burnt orange, which are like transition shades. And I'm just searching my brushes. I have quite a lot of brushes here. So today I'm gonna go with my Morphe M441 brush, and just going to randomly mix both shades. So quick story, my Instagram was hacked a couple of months have passed. My Instagram was hacked, and you guys have noticed that there's new link in my description box for Instagram. Okay, so I have applied the transition shades, and here blending is the key, because we want it to look very natural, not too much also. So yeah. And quick update on Morphe brushes. I personally love them, but some of them are shading. I know it's quite a lot of disappointment, but some of them are shading, and I don't mind it, but yeah, sometimes it's very annoying. So I'm quite happy with this transition. And now we're gonna go with the darker shades, obviously. So I don't quite remember which shade I used for my crease line. I guess I've used Sienna and Cyprus Amber, one of them, but I'm not really sure. So let's go first with Sienna, which is a very pretty burnt orange, which I love the most. I've used it for most of my videos here. So we're gonna go with Sienna, and then if it's not matching, we will go in with Cyprus Amber. But let's see, my brushes are dirty, so I'm unable to find my brushes here. So I'm going with the Morphe brush again, J840, and I am going with Sienna. These eyeshadows are really pigmented, so little bit is gonna go a long way. So you're concentrating the product on the crease line only. Okay, like so. Go in with Morphe M433 brush, which is very similar to Sigma E40, E41, 45. That brush is very similar to that. So we're going to go with Morphe M433 brush and going again with the shade Sienna. On the crease line, like so. So quick story time. My Instagram was hacked, and that's why you can see a new profile link in the description box below. So Makeup by Ulka is no more. So yeah, and I have changed the name into Style and Glamour by Ulka. Thankfully, my photos and videos are backed up, which I post on Instagram, so nothing happened there, but I lost every single thing. And I had the two-step verification, two-step authentication, something like that, for the profile, my previous profile, and still someone hacked it. So be careful while using Instagram now, because you know people are hacking other people's account. And when my got hacked, just few couple of days back, my mom's Amazon account was getting hacked, and her Instagram was also getting hacked at the same time. But then thankfully it could be saved, and it didn't happen like mine. My situation was different. When I was surfing, one fine day I was surfing Instagram, I posted a new photo and I was searching for a hashtag, and I found the hashtags, I copied it, and then I was going to put the hashtags on that photo. And while I was uploading, the photo got uploaded, everything happened, and just after a few minutes, something came on my Instagram profile. I cannot tell you what actually exactly happened, because I was quite confused that time. And I got a warning on my page, and I couldn't use it, I couldn't access it, saying that Instagram is feeling that there is something wrong, someone is hacking your account. I got that warning, and for that to proceed further, kindly change your password or something like that came. And while I clicked on that, because Instagram gave it and I couldn't go back or anywhere, so when I clicked on that, I didn't get that password changing page, but instead Instagram said your account is locked. I was so devastated. I was in shock. I don't know what to do. I contacted Instagram. Then I found an email ID where you could request Instagram to again reactivate the account. And I think that email ID was fake. I don't know what happened. I did all the procedures. I gave my user ID, not my password, but my user ID, username, and a photo. When you are facing this issue, Instagram has locked your account due to some purpose. You need to, Instagram will tell you to do some few things. They'll ask you to show your face, take a picture on taking up. You have to take a picture, and in that your face should be seen. Your username should be written on a piece of paper, and you should be holding that. I did all kinds of things, and I sent that, and I don't know if it's correct or not. Sorry. I don't know what happened. I was so confused. I was so in panic mode. I didn't know what to do. I just, in my mind, there was only, I want to save that account, because I have worked so hard, really hard in that account, and everything is just gone. I'm really scared because my photos are gone in that account. I hope they don't use it for any bad purpose. Anywho, now what I'm going to do is, just on the outer corner, I'm going to apply Cyprus Amber, which is the brown shade here, dark brown shade. Whenever I think about that thing, whatever happened with me, I just get sad. Finally, I was in very shock for a couple of months due to my Instagram getting hacked. So finally, I thought of coming here and addressing to you all about the situation. And I don't know what went wrong that day. You have to keep it really light, you know. Okay, so once I am done, I feel it's looking same. We are gonna cut the crease here, and then again we're gonna define that. We're gonna define everything, and then it's very easy, but it's taking a lot of time because I'm talking with you all, but I did it in a few minutes. So I guess I'm gonna use my blank canvas for this, but for this side I use a P.Louise base. They just work the same, but blank canvas is better to cut the crease. And I'm going in with Morphe brush JH41. Cut the crease. It has a perfect shape for cutting the crease. Guys, P.Louise bases video is coming really soon. I keep forgetting I need to film that video. Okay, so it's equal, and I'm just gonna blend that outer corner with my pinky finger. It's like easier to blend like this. Like this pencil brush here, it doesn't have a name, and going in with the Cyprus amber shade, and I'm literally going over this. First I'm going to apply white color here and then golden here. I'm going to go with the shade Tempera, which is an off-white color. Shade Bronze with the same brush. This is the Morphe JH42 brush. And take the color till here. We'll start blending it here with first we're gonna pick up this shade Sienna and then Cyprus amber. Change my brush to the bigger brush, which is M441 from Morphe, and just want to pick up the shade Cyprus and Sienna again and just blending out the outer corner and taking the color upwards. It's okay if it goes to the brows. It's gonna look good. I promise it's gonna look good. Okay, let's done. Pink brush and picking up the shade again, orange soda and burnt orange, which were transition shades, and just running it outwards on top of Cyprus amber and Sienna. I miss making like these kinds of tutorial videos, eyeshadow tutorial videos. I guess I'm gonna start making these more because more and more people love them. So now what I'm gonna do is here I'm gonna apply a bit of shimmering shade. It's not in this palette, like the one I need. It's not available in this palette. So no, but before that, I am going to apply my P.Louise Prime and Define base. This is metallic base in the shade Babe. You'll always be my partner in crime. The shade is Extra F. Okay, it's a very beautiful copperish golden color, and I'm going to use this as a topper for this look here when I've applied it. As you can see, I'm going to apply it here as well. This is how it looks. It's a very pretty duochromatic shade. So for this, I guess I'm going to use my Morphe M124 brush for this. Top of this, guys, trust me, it's going to look very pretty. We can take the shade till inside as well. I've just extended this line once more because I feel this is more up and this is more down. Other shade from my Opera Pro palette. This is in Soul, and I'm going to use the All of the Lights wheel, and from that this white shade, highlighter shade, I'm going to use on the inner corner just to amp up the look. If I'm going to use my two-way transparent gel here from the AC. This is a really nice glitter glue. Colourpop Fade into Hue palette, which have very pretty pressed glitters. And I'm going to go with the shade Lucky Charm, which is used a lot. For glitter application, I'm going to use M456. Any blending brush and just remove out excess glitter. Now just the angel wing is left. I'm going to use my NYX Professional Epic Ink Liner. Let me bring you a bit closer. So what are we going to do is this is my point here. First we're going to draw that. I hope it becomes safe. And then we're going to fill this up. Let's look straight in the mirror and see if it's correct. I feel it's correct. Once you feel it's correct, you need to fill it up. What we're going to do is we are going to go with black eyeshadow. Okay, so this is like the final look that I've created. I've done my base off camera as it was going to be a bit more time consuming.
So this is the final look that I've come up with. So if you like it, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon in the right so you're gonna get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye bye.